Welcome to Kinsdale, a new Pulte Homes community located in Indian Land, South Carolina, where lifestyle meets convenience and community thrives. Kinsdale features 13 unique single-family floor plans across 3 collections, with ranch and 2-story home designs available ranging from 1,800 square feet to over 3,200 square feet. Enjoy designer-curated options and open, flexible floor plans designed to fit your lifestyle. With 273 spacious home sites, you'll enjoy larger lots, ample open spaces, and beautiful wooded surroundings. It's your quiet suburban sanctuary close to the heart of Charlotte. Abundant on-site amenities cater to every lifestyle. Join neighbors for a friendly game of pickleball, take a dip in the pool, relax by the cabana, take an after-dinner stroll on the community walking trails, or watch your kids play at the Tot Lot. There's truly something for everyone. Kinsdale is located in the charming town of Indian Land with desirable South Carolina taxes. With quick access to Highway 521, you're just minutes away from everything you need. Residents will enjoy proximity to major employers such as Red Ventures, Movement Mortgage, Continental Tire, and LPL Financial, making your commute a breeze. Nearby shopping centers include the Promenade at Carolina Reserve and Carolina Commons, just minutes away, providing easy access for everyday needs. Educational opportunity is within reach at highly regarded area schools, including the nearby new Indian Land School campus. Active living and leisure are at your doorstep. Visit the Indian Land Recreation Center, Andrew Jackson State Park, Indian Land YMCA, or enjoy a round of golf at Carolina Lakes Golf Club. Explore the beauty of the Catawba River and its surrounding park. Healthcare is top-notch with Atrium Healthcare, Ortho Carolina, and Minute Clinic Urgent Care in close proximity, ensuring your family's well-being. Discover a place where gracious living, modern amenities, and a prime location come together. Welcome to Kinsdale. Contact us today to learn more. Your dream home awaits.